Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to create and manage folders in the Microsoft Outlook mobile app using a simple method directly from your inbox. First, open the Microsoft Outlook app on your phone and head to your inbox. Now tap and hold on any email you want to move. I'll go with this one. Then tap the three dots menu icon at the top right. Once you do that, a list of options will appear at the top of your screen. Tap the Move to Folder option. This opens up a list of existing folders in your Outlook account. Now tap on New Folder icon at the top right and give your folder a name like Receipts Important or anything you like. Once done, tap Create and Move. As you can see, a new folder has been created. Now just tap on your new folder and follow the same process to move the selected email there, and that's it. To access your folder later, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now scroll through your account folders and select the one you created. And that's it. That's how you create and organize folders in the Microsoft Outlook app using just a few taps. If this video helped, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.